this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. The goods.
How's it going?
Get those struts put on?
Oh, that was when you had
Yeah.
the rental truck, right?
Yeah. No, I didn't have the real truck. I had this. But then I brought them yesterday.
Oh, okay. What were they? Those right there, axles.
Oh, axles.
No, I haven't put them on yet. They're for this thing right here.
Wait for this part.
Got the goods, huh?
Yeah. All right. I signed for you. So you won't have to mess with my scanner. All right, man. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you. So guess what this is?
Pardon?
Guess what this is?
I'll just tell you. How about that? Axle or thing.
Oh, no. Okay. It's a kit to hang a rear. So, there's the rear thingy. EKRDCM-2 EK rear diff carrier mount. Style number 2, that's my guess. So with these, I can bolt on the one part of the sway bar, but let's see. That would bolt there. There are provisions for that part of the sway bar, but I don't think there's provisions for the sway bar in links on the lower control arms. We will find out. All right. So here's this. This is just thick as shit. Stainless steel. 10.9 volts. Looking good. Beautiful. Let's see what else we got. I think this is going to be the bar that goes across to hold the top of the diff. Super advanced bar. The trailing arm. Beautiful. Wow, it's so simple. So simple. This is the HubCityPreformance trailing arm. It's nice. It has like deals for your brake caliper. I mean your e-brake cables to bolt up to like factory. Of course, it has the holes for your e-brake cable to go through. If I ever needed to replace this hub, as long as I could call them, it's a custom part, I believe. If I could call them and say, hey, sell me another, it'd be really easy. Just 4 bolts on the back side here. Just gonna assume those are torqued to spec, and I'm never gonna check. Does not have a welded nut here like factory situation, and it does have a welded nut down there like factory situation. Got the spherical bushing for the lower control arm there. I see there's bolt holes for this style, you know. In the factory situation, there's not going to be bolt holes here, but I'm sure if I ever wanted, I could just get rid of this and press in the factory style trailing arm bushing, and it would still work out. There's a welded nut here too for the toe arm. scratch that. This must be the lower control arms. Yep. All shiny, shiny, shiny. Aluminum. Very light. Made in USA. Shows right hand. And I think this is the key component to it all. I'm not really sure. I haven't poked my head into figuring out why. I know that there's axle clearance issues with if you mount the diff in like the optimal place for straight axles, straight to the trailing arms, then your axles will hit the strut bodies. So this, I think, is their fix. I'm not sure. These are, you know, it's just a real bummer that this does not have a provision for the lower control arm. Because there's, I'll show you. Hold on. Well, I'm not sure where my other lower control arms are right now, but there's a threaded hole, or not, there's not a threaded hole, but there is a hole on the other arm where the sway bar end link on this side goes through. But in this case, there's no hole. I mean, there's lots of holes. I might be able to make it work, like if, for instance, the hole is right here, spacing wise, then I can drill a hole in this little guy and mount it up there. Or maybe I could just still go through here and use like some washers. Yeah, that sounds kind of sketchy, but talking about just like washing on both sides, I'm not sure. Or if I wanted to ruin this beautiful piece, I could weld a plate wherever is needed and then drill it out. I really want the sway bar thing because it's not just going to go straight this here car, it's going to go in circles. So there's one side, and the other side's quite similar. It has CP logo there, made in the USA, left hand. And we got a sticker. Got a big collection of stickers that I don't want to put on my car, but I'm happy to have a big collection of stickers. Let's see, this must be for the diff mount. I think that this plate I have to look into this, but I think this plate somehow is going to weld up here to hold on to the differential. We shall find out. Oh, and then there's these guys, which I don't really know how they're gonna go just yet, but it's a pretty nice piece of metal there. I like the grain. Yeah. So there's that. Cool. Here are, well, let's see. Oh, this I guess is for more diff mounting stuff. These guys, I don't know the nitty gritty yet, but I think that these guys are gonna go something here We shall find out. There are some OEM Honda bolts. Thanks, Hub City. I appreciate you sending me some OEM stuff in there. I don't know what they're for just yet. Here's a part, another part. Sweet. I don't know how well you can see that. HubCityPreformance, and then it has the owner's car on the back. A little narcissistic. No, I'm just kidding. I would do the same, definitely. I love my car. You should love your car. I like that color. All-wheel drive. Says it on his window. HubCityPreformance. Sweet. Thank you. It smells weird. In a good way. Smells like salt and vinegar chips. Then, the other arm. Other arm. There's that. One thing I'm not sure of right now is what the hardware for the bushing. This goes through here and then mounts up to the body. I don't see that. I found it. There we go. These are aluminum pieces. That will fit through those guys. Wow, that's a snug fit. Let's see that later. Well, that's it for the HubCityPreformance rear trailing arm kit. So now I'm just gonna work on some other stuff for this all-wheel drive build. So I'm gonna cut this video off and start on another video for all-wheel drive things after I clean up a little bit.